Morning sailors, welcome to yet another video this morning. So Crew Life at Sea still hiring laundry operators, and this is an opportunity that you guys should be able to take up. So they're urgently hiring experienced laundry operators for their prestigious cruise ships. So if you have a strong background in operating heavy duty laundry machinery, particularly in hotels, hospitals, we want to hear from you. Please note that candidates without experience in hotel laundry machines and managing high volumes will not be considered for this position. The requirements have been mentioned below. So hotel and hospitality laundry machinery experience, ability to handle high volumes efficiently, knowledge of different fabric types, strong attention to detail, good physical stamina, excellent organizational skills are highly considered, guys. So if you want to apply for this position, you can kindly send your resume. Apply with your resume to the link below. I'm gonna attach the link below on this link on the description box below. So let me just show you a feel or something that most of these companies use in this cruise lines. So these are some of the machines that they use in the cruise lines. This is probably a washer, and there's a dryer, or it can do both at the same time. So these are some of the photos from the crew life at sea, and as you can see right there, these are the clothes that have been folded, and the volumes of them, there are so many, guys. So these jobs pay really well, and it's a great opportunity, guys. And remember, if you don't have enough experience, you can always go to Allison Academy or allison.com, be able to get your theory there. Look for a way that you can be able to learn how to do this laundry in different companies here in your local country or in your locality, and you'll be able to have a feel of what exactly they do. I don't think it's really something difficult. It's something that if you put your mind to it, you can actually be able to do it. So guys, if you need that resume, if you need that cover letter, if you need that recommendation letter, guys, I'm your guy. I'm gonna be able to customize it for you just the way they need it to be. I'm gonna guide you on how to apply. I'm gonna tell you on which keywords, or I'm gonna help you on writing your CV using the ATS system. Like, I'm gonna be able to make it, and so I can be able to be ATS certified and can be able to pass through that system. And guys, take up this opportunity. This is another opportunity, brilliant opportunity that you guys should be able to take on. Remember, guys, if you need the link on how to apply, I'm gonna post it on the description box below. See you in the next video for more opportunities, and see you then.